Hello everyone, my name is Akandinda Morreen, registration number 23 Bsu Bba 4237. I'm going to take you through the question we've been given about mark traders. The question reads, the accounts department of Mark Traders Company Limited dealers. That will be our company. And they are saying it deals in new motorcycles and their spare parts. It is located in Mbarara on PO Box 234. And they are asking us to use QuickBooks or Tally, those accounting softwares. And me, I've decided to use QuickBooks. And the currency we are using is UGX. We shall start by creating the company. We shall go on detailed start. Then from there we write our company. They have said it is Mark Traders Company Limited. Mark Traders Company. Company is like this. Then limited. This can be as the same as our legal name. Then we go on street address. Our street address is PO Box 234. And the city is Mbarara. And since we are using Ugandan shilling, that means our country is Uganda. Then the email address we've given, mark@africaonline.co.ug. That is the email. Now this company of ours deals with new motorcycles and their spare parts, and that one falls under automotive sales and repair. We go to next, and it is a sole proprietorship. Next, our fiscal year is January. Password we can skip. It is fine, you can leave it. Next. Then here we are going to save on desktop. Let me save it in my names. Then save. Then we go on next. Then next. This company is dealing in both services and products. Then we go on next. Then next, because that is recommended. Next, 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 next. Then here, do you want to track inventory? Yes. Next, next. Yes, we have employees, and these falls here. Next, next. And in the question, we are given our fiscal year as of January 2023. And first, then next, next. And here we are done with creating the company. Then from there, we come here and start working. We close these ones. Since we are given UGX, we go here to change the currency. We go on edit, preferences, then we go on multiple currencies. Then company preferences. Yes, I use more than one. Yes. Then we change here to UGX. We go on view more. Then Ugandan shillings. Make it active. Then yes. We press OK. Yes. We shall go back on edit, preferences, then accounting, then company preferences, then we remove the warnings, then OK. We are done with part A, and part B was saying the company operates a bank account number that in Centenary Bank under petty cash book. Then we come here on chart of accounts. We can either right click, let's first maximize it. You can either right click or use this side down. You right click, then new, and the bank is Centenary Bank is under bank. Then you continue. We type in Centenary Bank, account number was 95001 950011. Then the opening balances we don't have. We shall come here and change the dates to it was December 2022. Then OK. We save and new cause we have petty cash. The name is petty cash. Then the opening balance we also don't have. Then we go here. $2022. Then OK. Save and close. Then from part B, we are going to part C, the company's customers and their balances as that. The first customer is COMPUTERIZED with that balance of Peter and something. Now we go to customers, then customer center, then new customer again. Then we write the first customer was COMPUTERIZED. Opening balance. The opening balance was 3 million. Then the date as at 1st January 2023. Then OK.
Customer.
Our next customer is Opita Dan. We go back here, new customer. Then Opita Dan. Opita Dan doesn't have the opening balance. Then the date as at 1st January 2023. OK. Our next customer is Munene Auto Dealers. We go back here, new customer, then Munene Auto Dealers. Opening balance is 1 million. As at 1st Jan 2023. Then OK. Our next customer is Class Motor Spares. We go back here, new customer, then Class Auto Dealers. The opening balance is 800,000 as at 1st January 2023. Then OK. Then another part is part C. It is part D. The customers, suppliers and their balances as at that. The suppliers are the same as vendors. We go on vendors, vendor center, then new vendor again. Vendor name is Kabale Sisters. Kabale Sisters, the opening balances 1.7 Ugandan shillings as at 1st January 2023. Then we press OK. Another vendor is Masaka Traders. The opening balance is 1.5. Then from there, it is also 1st Jan 2023. Then we press OK. Our new vendor is, again we go on vendors, then he's called Madra Importers. Madra Importers. He doesn't have the opening balances, but the date is there. It is 1st Jan 2023. Then we press OK. Now we are done with the other part of part B. Let's go on inventory. The inventory items were as follows. We go back into our QuickBooks, then we go back to home, then inventory activities, go back to home, then inventory center. From there we go on new inventory, and it is a new inventory item. And this inventory part, the item is motorcycles. Motorcycles. Unit of measure, we count each motorcycle. Then next, we go here. Next, each, and we go on others. Then next, the name is unit. Then abbreviation is U. Then finish. From there, the description we are given code, which is IV001. From there we go to cost price. We first delete these ones, then we put 4 million. That's what we are given. 4 million. Then sales price, we have 4.8. The income account is sales. From there, on hand, that is the quantity. The quantity is 8. Then as at 1st Jan 2023. Then we press OK. Another inventory, we have generators. We still go here. It is inventory part, and the name is generators. Generators. The unit of measure, we had set it already. It is units. Then the cost of generators is 2.7. Let me first go back on the description. The description was IV002. Then the sales price we are given 3.5. Then the account is also under sales. Then on hand we are given 6, and the date as at 1st Jan 2023. You press OK. Another item is oil, and the oil is also inventory part. The name is oil, and it is measured in units. No, it is measured in liters, and we don't have liters. We go on volume so that we can set those liters and finish. Then from there the description is IV003. Then we put the cost, which is 10,000. The sales price, it is 16,000, and it is also under sales. And on hand we have 10 as at 1st of Jan 2023. Then we press OK. Another one is servicing. We go back to our QuickBooks, then we go on new inventory item, new inventory, and since it is servicing, it is under service, the item is servicing. Then from there the description is IV004. Then the rate we are given 30,000. Then the account we don't have, we shall add new because it is under service account. Shall create it. Then save and close. From there, OK. From part D, we are going to additional information. We are given additional information as follows. This took place in the month of January 2023. The first one is 2nd Jan. It deposited 40 million into the bank account. We go back here, that means we debit bank, then we credit our capital. We go home, then chart of accounts. From there, we right click, then we right click, make general journal entries. From there, we are debiting centenary with 40 million and crediting capital. And the capital we don't have, we add new, and the capital is under equity. Then continue. Our account name is capital. Then save and close. We are crediting it with 40 million, and the date was, it is 2nd Jan 2023. Jan 2023. Save and new, because we have another item, which is, let me check from here. The second item is on 3rd. He withdrew UGX 10 million from the bank for business use. There we shall be having two accounts. Let's first change the dates. It is on 3rd. Then we are debiting petty cash with 10 million, and then we are crediting our centenary bank because we withdrew it from the bank for business use. Our petty cash, we already have it. Then no, it is centenary bank, not petty cash. Then we save and new. Then on which date? Let me check. It is also on 3rd when he obtained a 5-year bank loan worth 100 million. We go back to our QuickBooks. the same date. We are crediting Centenary Bank with 100 million, and then debiting it with, we go to that, it is loan, and loan we don't have it. We go to new, then loan, continue, and it is called loan. Save and close. Then from there we save and close. Now we are going to the next transaction. We go back to home. Now our next transaction is on 4th Jan. He sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. From there, we go to create sales receipts. Then we change the dates. The dates were 4th. It is 4th of Jan. It is 4th of Jan 2023, and he sold them by cash. The first item was motorcycles. Let me see, 5 motorcycles. Here on quantity, we changed to 5. Then another one was, he sold generators. There were 3 in number. Then from there, we save and close, because that's the only items sold. Since we've sold our things by cash and banked that money immediately, we go to record deposits, and we deposited the whole amount. We come here and we tick this one to make it active, then we click in OK. Then it was banked in Centenary, it's there. Then we save and close. And our next transaction is, let's go back to our question. Our next transaction is on 6th Jan. He bought 100 liters of engine oil. Then we go back to our QuickBooks. We go on purchase orders. Then our vendor, we are not given any vendor. Let's assume he bought them from gift on, it was on which date? On 6th Jan 2023. It was on 6th Jan 2023. Then we click in OK, and we assume gift, our vendor bought, they have told us she bought engine oil, and our oil we have it, and the quantity, it is 100 liters. We save and close. Then from there, since we've bought, we are going to receive our inventory, and we are receiving with bill. Our vendor is gift, yes, and we make that one active, then OK. From there we save and close. Our next transaction is on 7th Jan. Bought 8 motorcycles by check from Cavalry Sisters Limited and made half payment. We go back here on our QuickBooks. Then we go on purchase order. We bought them from Cavalry Sisters. That is our vendor on It is on 7th of Jan 2023, and we bought 8 motorcycles. 8, we put it here on quantity. Then from there we save and close. Then we receive our inventory, and it is received with a bill since we are paying at a later time. Still our vendor is COMPUTERIZED. Yes, we make that one active. Then okay. Then we save and close. And in our question, they had said he bought 8 motorcycles from COMPUTERIZED and made half payment. We go back to our QuickBooks, then we pay bills. And we are paying COMPUTERIZED, and they have said half payment was made, and a half of 32 million is 16 million. 16 million. And we are paying to the bank. Then we pay that selected bill. And we are done because we don't have any other bill to pay. We go back here. On 10th, our question, on 10th, sold 10 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. We go back to our QuickBooks. After reaching here, we go to create sales receipts. Then we change the date to, the dates were 10th of Jan. 10th of Jan 2023, and it was sold by cash since it is quiet item. He sold 10 liters of engine 100, let me see, 10 liters of engine oil. The quantity is here, that's why we put 10. Then another one was servicing 5. Let me check. Serviced 5 generators. And then from there we save and close. We are depositing that amount. Okay. And we are depositing it on our, but it is cash. And we don't have that cash account. We are going to create it. Cash. Then save and close. Okay. Then save and close. Next transaction is on 11th Jan. He sold 6 of the motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Muna Auto Dealers. We go back to our QuickBooks, create invoice. Then our customer is Muna, and in our list we don't have Muna. We have to add Muna Auto Dealers. As that, the date is, our date is 11th of January. Of January 2023. Then okay. Then we sold 6 motorcycles. Item motorcycles, then quantity 6. Then and 2 generators. We come here, we select generators, and we sold only 2. The date is 11th of Jan 2023, Then we save and close. Then from there we receive payments. We are receiving the payment from Muna Auto Dealers. We tick here, yes, and then we were told we were given a discount of 2%. We were told that they were given a 2% discount. Is equal signs, the 2% is 0.2, then times the amount, which is 35.8. Then we press enter. That is the discount we gave him. Then it is under discount allowed and we don't have it. We have to add it. It is under expense. It is discount allowed. Then save and close, and we click in done. Then from there save and close. Then we record deposits. From there we take this one because we are paying, we are receiving the deposit. Okay, then we save and close. And our next transaction is, let me check, on 12th of Jan, he cleared Masaka Traders debt by cash. We go back to our QuickBooks, we pay bills. Then we look for Masaka Traders because that's the people we are paying. It was on 12th of Jan 2023, and we paid them by cash. We change here to cash. Then we pay the selected bills. Then we are done because we don't want to pay more bills. Our next transaction is cleared the following expenses by check. The first one is fuel, rent, office, all these ones. Let's start with fuel. We go back to our QuickBooks. Then we go to chart of accounts. We right click. Then make journal entries. Okay. It was on, we are not given that date. I think it still applies on 12th. Then we are debiting fuel and crediting bank. And fuel, we don't have it in our list. We add new, and fuel is an expense. Continue. Then we type it there. Fuel, save and close. The amount is 600,000. The next one is rent, and rent in our list we don't have. We add new, and it is an expense to the company. Continue. Then we type it there as rent. Save and close. It is 200,000. The next one is office cleaning. Office we don't have. We are adding it as new, and it is an expense. Continue. Office cleaning. Office cleaning. Save and close. 220,000. Then the next one is electricity, and we don't have electricity. We are also adding it. It is under expense. Continue. Electricity. Save and close. The amount is 480,000. No, it's 480. Then another one is advertising. I think advertising we also don't have. We add it there. It's an expense to the company. Continue. Then advertising. Save and close. It's 200,000. The next one is audit fees, and I think I'm not seeing it. We add it. Expense. Continue. Then we type it there as audit fees. Save and close, and it's 200,000. Then the next one is electricity, and electricity we already have it. We tap it there, and the amount is 500,000. 500,000. And all these ones were paid by check, meaning we are crediting our bank. All these expenses, we had withdrawn that money from the bank. We had paid them by the check, meaning we are crediting Centenary Bank. Now we save and close. Our next transaction is on. It's on 25th Jan. Salary was 300,000, and UJX 200,000 was paid by cash to Amanda and Katate respectively. We go back to our QuickBooks. We right click, make journal expenses. This one should not appear here. It was on 25th of Jan 2023. The date 25th should be in between. When the month starts. Then the account is salary, and we don't have salary account. It is an expense. We are creating it. The name is salary. Save and close. We are paying 300 to Amanda. 300,000. The name is Amanda. Let me see. We don't have Amanda in our list. We are creating her, and she's an employee to the organization. Then okay. The name we type it here, Amanda. Then okay. Leave as it is. Then another one. We are also paying her salary. We already have it. We are paying her 200,000. This one should not appear. Then we are paying Katate, and Katate is not in the list. We are adding her there as an employee to the organization. Then okay, the name here, Katate. Then okay, we leave as is. Then we save and close. It's not in balance, please make sure that it is. Okay. We are paying by cash, meaning we are crediting our cash account with 500,000. We save and close. Our next transaction is on. It is UGX 500,000 was withdrawn from the bank for private use, meaning we are having two accounts, bank account and withdrawings and drawings account. We right click, we make journal entries, and we are debiting our drawings. On the drawings account, we don't have it, and it is under equity. Then we continue. The account name is drawings. Save and close. And that account is receiving 500,000. And then we are debiting our bank. We are crediting our bank because we withdrew that money from our account for personal use. Then save and close. The next part is the company bought a computer for office use worth UGX 2 million. We go back to our QuickBooks. Then we go to home. We purchase. Vendor, we are not given the vendor. Let's assume and we create her as Gabi. Then okay. Item, it is computer, and we don't have computer, we add. And the computer is a fixed asset to the company. Then purchase name, it's a computer. Then purpose or the description, it is for the office use. Then the date, it is 25th of Jan 2023. Then cost, it is 2 million Ugandan shillings. Then the asset account, we don't have, we are going to create it. The account name, computer account. Then save and close. Then okay. From there, we are going to save and close. After buying, our computer shall receive it with a bill. Vendor, we had Gabi. Yes, we are receiving. Okay. Then save and close.
Go.
Now the question is done. Let me show you the reports. We go to reports, then company and financial. We are told to get the profit and loss account. Profit and loss statement. Here we shall choose all so that it brings all the things of that fiscal year we had. And now it's this one. Our net income is 10,994,000. Then we go to Excel. We create a new worksheet. Then export. Now we maximize here so that we can see the other answer, whether it's the one we still have after exporting. It is still the same. Our net income is still 10,994,000. We go back to our QuickBooks. We are told again to get the statement of financial position. We go to reports, then we go to company and financial, then scroll down, we get the balance sheet standard. It is balancing. We are having our total assets as 219,494,000. Then when we move down, we have our total liabilities and equity as 219,494,000. Let's export this one also. Export. Now this is our balance sheet or statement of financial position. It is also balancing. Thank you for watching. I remain Akandinda Morreen. I'm done with the question.